Hi guys, my name is Disha Singh. Welcome to this channel. I hope you all are doing great. So नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में देख के आप सबको ये पता ही चल गया होगा कि today's video is related to what. So today's video is related to IMU CET examination for which actually relates to a merchant navy. So before starting the video, I want to tell you that this video is related to merchant navy. Okay, so all the candidates who wants to join a merchant navy, or all the candidates who have a dream to join a merchant navy, can you guys can listen this video very carefully and watch it fully. Now coming to the video part, in today's session we will going to know about the IMU CET examination, which is related to merchant navy and which is actually conducted by IMU, that is an Indian Maritime University. Okay, so first question which arises in our mind is what is IMU CET examination, and like how to join this merchant navy, like these questions arises in all our minds. So coming to the IMU CET examination part, I want to tell you that IMU CET stands for Indian Maritime University Common Entrance Test, okay, which is actually conducted by IMU, that is Indian Maritime University, to take suitable candidates to give an opportunity to the candidates who wants to join the merchant navy for post graduation, undergraduation, or any merchant research program. Okay, now coming to the this IMU CET examination, all the candidates have to give the IMU CET examination before applying into any merchant navy program. It is compulsory for every student who wants to join merchant navy. You guys have to give the IMU CET examination. Okay, after clearing the exam, only the candidate is eligible for applying in any merchant navy program. If you guys fail into this IMU CET examination, you won't be eligible to take an admission into any merchant navy program. So this is an compulsory to every students who wants to join a merchant navy, that you guys have to give this IMU CET examination. Now coming to the next part, which is the eligibility criteria to join IMU CET merchant navy. What are the eligibility criteria and who are eligible to join, give this IMU CET examination? So the candidates should have passed class 12. All the candidates who have passed their class 12th examination can apply for this IMU CET examination. Now coming to the candidates should have minimum 60% marks in the PCM subject. PCM subject means physics, chemistry and maths. Like all the candidates who have passed their 12th examination should get at least 60% of aggregate marks in their physics, chemistry and maths subject. Which means, like for example, if your exam is of 100 marks, so you guys have to get 60 or more than 60 marks in your PCM subject, which is physics, chemistry and maths. Now next one is also obtain 50% aggregate marks in English subject in class 10th and 12th, which means in the class 10th and 12th you guys have to get 50% of aggregate marks in English subject. Okay, clear everybody? Now coming to the next thing, which is what is the age criteria, what are the age criteria to join this IMU CET examination? So the candidate's age should be coming in between 17 years to 25 years. All the candidates who wants to give this IMU CET examination, their age must be coming in between 17 years to 25 years only, not above that, not below that, in between 17 to 25. Clear? Candidates belonging to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, which is SC and ST category, will get relaxation of 5 years. Like this is an opportunity for all the candidates who belongs to SC and ST caste. You guys will get a 5 years of relaxation into the age part. Okay, so this is a huge opportunity. I think you guys should grab it. Now coming to the next, which is the IMU CET exam details. So the IMU CET exam is related, like it is actually based on a computer based exam. Like the mode of exam is a computer based test. Okay, so you guys don't have to carry any pen paper with you or anything. You just have to carry your admit card and one identity proof. It is enough to carry for this examination. Now coming to the next, which is exam duration is of 3 hours and total question which they ask is a 200 questions. So you guys have to solve those 200 question in between 3 hours only. Okay, clear? Now medium of exam, the medium of exam is English. Okay, so many of the government opportunity or jobs gives you and choices between Hindi medium or an English medium mode of exam or medium of exam, but here the IMU CET only conduct the English medium of exam. Okay, so the medium of exam is English. You guys have to solve the paper in English medium only. Now coming to the next, which is what are the benefits to join Merchant Navy? Merchant Navy, actually, like what kind of benefits you will get after joining this Merchant Navy, why you should join this Merchant Navy, what are the advantages of joining this Merchant Navy. So coming to the first one is an early financial independence, which means till the age of 25 you'll guys be financially independent on your own self only. You don't have to ask anybody for a money or to your parents or any people around you. Like most of the shipping company actually offers and very excellent incentives and packages and benefits to officers or to the candidates. So right starting after your career into this Merchant Navy. So you guys no need to worry about like financially thing. Now coming to the second one is, which is enhanced discipline and professionalism. It actually enhances in you the professionalism and a discipline thing. Okay, as it it actually develops you personally and professionally at both the level. It actually helps you to develop your personality, your interpersonal skills. As you know, it actually offers you to work with different kind of nationalities. Okay, so it actually enhances the adaptability in you also. Okay, to work with different kind of nationalities. So it helps you to enhance your discipline, your professionalism in every manner. Okay, now coming to the next, which is a long vacations. Okay, so the Merchant Navy profession is a profession who actually takes long working hours. So with the officers or the people who have joined the Merchant Navy is actually getting minimum like 2 or 3 months of vacations after working into this Merchant Navy. And I guess 2 and 3 months of vacations is like enough to indulge your passion and to relax yourself. So it actually gives you a long vacations. Okay, now coming to the next one, which is adventure and travel opportunity. It is a very adventurous job, like adventurous in the sense you guys can you guys can travel to the whole world. Okay, so it actually gives an opportunity to work with different like any corner of the world. And travel opportunity, as I have told you, you guys have to work with different kind of nationalities into a different country. So it actually gives you and many more opportunity to learn over there about their professionalism and particular things. Okay, now coming to the next, which is uniform and respect. Actually it is a very very important thing, like earning this uniform and respect. This Merchant Navy uniform is actually very difficult to earn this uniform, as it takes years of dedication, years of dedication and hard work and discipline and everything. Okay, so like after doing these years of preparation, you will finally earn this Merchant Navy uniform, which actually help you to gain a pride and a dignity, everything around the whole world. Okay, so it is actually very beneficiary for all of you who wants to join merchant navy. I'm seriously telling you guys, it is it is actually build a pride on your own self also. Okay, you actually pride on your own self that you are in some part of the nation. Okay, so after, like, there are many more advantages. You guys can if you want to know something more related to that, please comment down below of this video. And if you need any further information related to any examination of government, so please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.